Research on Traptrix, the carnivorous creatures. The Traptrix are mysterious creatures that live deep in the southern forests and prey upon organisms that wander too close. Since their existence was discovered, researchers have been fascinated by their unique methods of capturing prey. In recent years, new research has yielded amazing findings and many new species have been discovered. This documentary pays tribute to our predecessors who have devoted their souls to the Traptrix and have made great sacrifices to advance research in this field. Adaptive predators. Traptrix have a variety of predation methods and excel at targeting organisms with intelligence. The Traptrix use their unique and attractive appearance to lure in prey, which they then capture with vicious leaves and tangling threads to hold their captives, and use their sharp claws to deter any creatures that would try to help. The Traptrix body is normally split into two parts, the first part being that of an attractive young girl, which is used to lure in their prey, and the second does the capturing and devouring, the second part of their body being either a large insect or arachnid creature or a plant of some sort. However, there are some atypical Traptrix with claws and horns that seem to have only one body that combines the three elements of most Traptrix. These atypical Traptrix lurk behind leaves, quietly waiting for their prey. The Traptrix habitat. The vast southern forests are the home of the Traptrix. Each species seems to have its own territory, however they are not against joining together and combining their efforts. In fact, it seems that some of them are actually friends. For example, Arachnocampa and Rafflesia seem to cohabitate, and their inviting atmosphere lures a steady stream of victims for not only themselves but for other Traptrix around them. Here we have captured a photo of Traptrix Sarah standing in a meadow. The landscape appears to be peaceful, but it is full of sticky trichomes released by Sarah, which mark her domain. Coexistence and symbiosis. There have been no intraspecies hostility or territory disputes observed so far. In fact, some of the Traptrix seem to be especially close to each other. Pudica and Nepenthes share similar predation patterns and are close in appearance, almost looking like sisters. We have observed a kind of companion-like cooperation between the different species of Traptrix, as in the case of Pudica and Mantis, who often cooperate to catch their prey and share the captive's nutrients. This recent research was brought to us by three researchers, two goblins and a knight, who were sent into the southern forest to research and update us on the new findings of the Traptrix. In this forest, they encountered many pitfalls along the way. Now, it's uncertain whether or not these pitfalls, or trap holes if you will, were created by the Traptrix, but they do appear to be in vast number around the southern forests. Fortunately, our researchers were able to escape or were helped in some other way before they were finally entered the domain of the Traptrix. Once they reached the depths of the forest where the Traptrix lurk, they were soon lured in by the attractive appearance of the Traptrix and almost tricked into thinking that they were kind and friendly creatures before they were quickly ambushed in a nightmare of insects and plants that tried to capture and devour our researchers. Fortunately, the researchers were able to escape the clutches of the Traptrix. However, they encountered many Traptrix creatures along the way and were captured by a great many of them before meeting their untimely end at the hands of Traptrix Pendicula. It is because of these researchers' great sacrifice that we have the information that we have today, and hopefully we'll be able to use it to further study the Traptrix and hopefully deter other people from going near them. Keep in mind that despite their rather innocent-looking appearance, the Traptrix are dangerous, they are carnivorous, and they will attack if you get too close. Despite what they look like, the Traptrix true body is rather large and very, very deadly. So if you find yourself in the southern forest, beware of the pitfalls that surround it, and don't go too far in, or you may find yourself in the clutches of the Traptrix. At the hands of Traptrix Pingu... At the hands of Traptrix Pingu... At the hands of Traptrix Pinguiculi... I had it before. Pinguicula. There it is.